So Apple has released macOS Big Sur 11.4, and in this video I'm just going to be sharing with you the new features and then changes and then bugs that have been fixed in this OS. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, share to anyone you think that is going to be helpful to them, and without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So I actually updated my macOS Big Sur from 11.4 beta 2 to macOS 11.4 public release, and the update size was 11.4 gigabytes, which is kind of something that is really going to blow off your mind if you really see the size of the OS. But a lot of people who are coming from macOS 11.3 are going to get the size from probably 3.5 3.9 gigabytes, and that is basically very cool. So the first changes we are going to see in this OS is now podcast is allowing subscriptions for monthly and then yearly. So this is really going to help people who have podcasts, and then they can make money out of those kind of programs or shows they do have on podcast right here. And again, when you just tap on any podcast you follow and then you tap on this dots right here, you are not going to have this mark all as red and then remove downloads right here. So this is a new feature Apple has brought to macOS. And also, when you check out right here, the Apple podcast has been rearranged, and then when you check in the library too, you are not having downloaded right here. Initially it was downloads, but now it has been changed to downloads. So the next feature or bug which was fixed was you can now get a chance to see all your bookmarks that were hidden right here. You can just see that randomly your bookmarks were getting hidden when you just open your Safari and then you try to find any bookmark you saved. It wasn't visible, it was hidden in a folder which you didn't create yourself, and now that bug has been fixed and you can get all your bookmarks right here, which is even going to show on the interface when you even open your Safari. So your bookmarks are not going to be hidden in any folder, it's going to be there where you saved them, and this bug has been fixed. A lot of people were complaining about that, and now it has been fixed. Another bug which was fixed in this macOS was trying to open a page which was already open before you kept your laptop on sleep, and this was happening to me when I used Canva. That is why I've opened Canva for you guys to see, and I come and then I just get a blur, like a black screen right here. I wasn't getting anything I tried using, and I have to refresh the page before it takes me back. And what if the data or whatever I was doing wasn't saved? It was going to be a whole lot of issues. So right now it has been sorted, and I can just open any page which I was using already, and I'll get whatever I was using. It's not going to give me any blank pages like it used to be. So like this one, I'm just going to get a page which I was working with, and it's not going to bring any problems. So this is one thing they have also tried sorted in this updates that is very cool. Another thing that was also sorted was pictures. When you try sending pictures to your MacBook, initially you were not going to have the chance to get the keywords of the picture, like maybe the picture's title and all. You were not going to see it when you try send it, or even get any information of the picture right here. But now you can get a chance, and you can even change the titles and add keywords, which is going to help you to search for the picture very well. So keywords section has been added to this new update in order to help you search for the pictures, and that is going to make it very easy for you to just get any picture that is on your MacBook you want to look for. So that is one thing Apple has added that is really going to help us in this new update. So again, the next thing that was added was when you try searching for PDF files, initially you were not going to be able to preview anything when you try searching for a PDF file, but now you can preview a PDF file, which is going to be very helpful. So you can see right here, you can preview the PDF file right here, and then you can know whatever you are looking for, and it's going to help you to pick on any file you are trying to pick, or maybe anything you feel like you are searching for. It's going to be very easy for you to look for it. Probably you downloaded it from a website which it had a different name, but with this new update, it's going to allow you to preview whatever you want to look for right here, and that is really going to be helpful for you to just get your PDF easily. So the final thing I want to share with you is in the App Store right here. Initially, if you're having 16-inch MacBook and then you try playing this game, it was going to freeze your machine and then it wasn't going to respond to anything. But this bug has been fixed, and now you can just play Civilization 6 right here, and then it's really going to help you. So if you want to try this game out, you can try it out. You can download it right here. You're going to purchase it, and then you try playing it on your MacBook, and basically that is going to be helpful for you. So if this was helpful, just give it a thumbs up, and I want to assure you that macOS 12 is coming to us come June 7th, and I want you guys to subscribe to the channel and then make a date when it drops, I'm just going to be sharing with you the new features that is going to come, and actually it's going to be released to the public in September. So I'm going to cover a lot of videos that is really going to make you know how to use it before it's being released to the public. So if you want to know more about this MacBook 12 that is coming to us, just subscribe to the channel and then share to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them, and I'm going to catch you in the next video. Peace.